Hello there everybody and welcome back to our channel One to Step everybody. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can recover your Yahoo Mail account. So for those people who do not know Yahoo was pretty famous back in the days in like 2014-13, but right now many people don't use Yahoo. But if you guys are into finance, then Yahoo is going to be a great place for you because Yahoo provides you a lot of information about stocks, crypto and many more other stuff. But that's not the basic use of Yahoo. The basic use of Yahoo is it provides you news and you can also use it as email. If you guys use Gmail, then Yahoo is also similar to that, but it is like more useful. But most people, they do not use Yahoo, but I like to use Yahoo specifically. I'm a Yahoo guy rather than Gmail. All right, so let me show you guys how you guys can recover your Yahoo email. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. One step, let's move on. First step, search for Yahoo and click on the first link. It'll take you to the official website of Yahoo, and over here what you want to do is click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, it's going to take you to its login page. Over here you need to enter your email. If you don't, you can click on forget username, but I remember my username, so I'm just going to type it over here. I remember my email. Sorry, I said username. I remember my email, so I click on next, but I don't remember my password. So what I can do is click on forget password. It's going to take me to the passport recovery page. Now over here you need to type the last digit of your phone number. So my last digit is 26. So I can click on submit. Now a verification code is going to be sent to my phone number. So I can click on yes, send me a code. So I need to wait for some time until I receive the code. Now you guys also type your phone number and wait for until like the code is sent to you by Yahoo. Once you receive the code, you need to type it over here. Once you type the code, just click on verify. And once the code is verified, on the next step you can enter your new password. And then what you can do is click on continue and your password will be changed. So that's how you guys can recover your Yahoo account, and hope you guys were able to understand. So just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and as you guys can see, you get a lot of financial news over here in Yahoo. Alright, and you can also send a mail by clicking on over here where it says mail. It'll take you to mail, and it's similar to Gmail. You can click on compose to compose, and you can also go on send, draft, all the stuff. Alright, so I'll make another video explaining how you guys can use Yahoo Mail, so subscribe.